Hey guys, welcome back to Crypto Guy. On today's episode, I'm going to show you guys how to 3D print uh, a, uh, a seed vault for your keys on your crypto wallet to keep them safe and put up, and it's pretty cool. Now, I want to thank all my subscribers, and if you haven't subscribed yet, be sure to do so you don't miss out on the free Dogecoin. Uh, it's real simple for those of you that don't know or haven't heard. All you got to do is subscribe, and then in the comment section on any of my videos, put your Dogecoin wallet address. I'll have a place to send it to, and I will send you Dogecoin as a thank you for subscribing. Thank you. Okay, so this may vary from your printer, but I'm about 3 hours in, and what you want to do is make sure that it'll clear with plenty of leeway. And then what you want to do is you want to pause the program. Oh, of course. Now, as a machinist, I should do this better and run the G code where this works a little bit better in our favor. But then what you do is you just slide it down in there like that. And find something to poke it down in there where you know it's not going to hit your extruder. Okay, there we go. Then all you got to do is resume the print. And your bed and your extruder is going to have to heat back up. If y'all want to see more 3D printing stuff, I may just start another channel. I don't know. But let me know what you think in the comment section down below. So there we go. I'll give you an update here as soon as this is done. Thank you. And there it is. She's done.